In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to learn online courses at Harvard University. Whether you're looking to expand your knowledge or dive into a new subject, Harvard offers a range of online courses that can cater to your interests. Let's get started on how you can take advantage of these learning opportunities from the comfort of your home. To begin, you'll want to choose a platform where these courses are offered. Harvard provides several options: Harvard Online, Harvard Extension School, and EDX's HarvardX platform. Each of these platforms has its unique set of courses and benefits. Harvard Online focuses on bringing a rigorous yet flexible learning experience. Harvard Extension School offers courses that might also include live interaction sessions, while HarvardX on EDX provides a wide array of free courses allowing you to learn at your own pace. Spend a little time exploring these platforms to see which best fits your learning style and needs. Once you've selected a platform, proceed to browse the courses available. Whether you're interested in subjects like computer science, humanities, or data science, you'll find plenty to choose from. An important tip is to check if the course is free or requires payment. Some courses offer free auditing, meaning you can participate without earning a certificate, which is a great way to learn without financial commitment. After picking a course, it's time to create an account if you haven't already. Look for the sign-up page and register using your email address and a secure password. Take a moment to choose a password that's strong yet memorable, and remember to verify your email if prompted, as this step is crucial for getting started with your courses. Now that you're registered, go ahead and enroll in the course of your choice. Simply click on the Enroll or Register button. Many courses offer the option to audit for free, so if that suits your needs, make sure to select that option. If your course is paid and you're interested in earning a certificate, continue with the payment process as instructed by the platform. With enrollment complete, it's time to dive into the course material, engage with the lectures and readings, and be sure to complete any quizzes or assignments. It's a good idea to set aside regular study times each week to progress through the course steadily. If you've opted for a paid course and wish to earn a certificate, ensure you complete all the necessary requirements. Upon completion, you can proudly download your certificate, a testament to your hard work and dedication. And there you have it. Learning online courses at Harvard is a structured yet flexible process that you can tailor to your schedule and learning preferences. We hope you find this educational journey fruitful and inspiring. Enjoy your learning experience.